Ingrown toenails. They're a common problem. They can be painful and frustrating, but you're not alone. Many people experience this. We're here to help you understand, prevent, and treat this condition. This essay will guide you through everything you need to know about ingrown toenails. We'll cover causes, prevention techniques, and effective solutions. Whether you're dealing with an ingrown toenail now or want to prevent future ones, this guide is for you. Let's take control of your foot health together. We'll help you say goodbye to ingrown toenails. Ingrown toenails happen when your toenail grows into the surrounding skin. This usually occurs on the big toe. The nail's corner pierces the skin, causing pain, redness, and swelling. Several factors can cause ingrown toenails. Improper nail trimming is a major culprit. Cutting your nails too short or rounded at the edges encourages the nail to grow into the skin. Tight footwear, especially pointed shoes, puts pressure on your toes and forces the nail to curve inward. Trauma to the toe, such as stubbing or dropping something heavy, can also lead to ingrown toenails. Certain medical conditions like fungal infections can make ingrown toenails more likely. Preventing ingrown toenails starts with proper foot care. A few simple steps can make a big difference. Trim your toenails straight across. Avoid rounding the edges. This allows the nail to grow freely without digging into the skin. Choose footwear that fits properly. Avoid tight shoes and high heels that squeeze your toes. Opt for shoes with a wide toe box to give your toes ample space. Maintaining good foot hygiene is crucial. Wash your feet daily with soap and water and dry them thoroughly. These simple practices can significantly reduce your risk of developing ingrown toenails. If you have an ingrown toenail, home remedies can help manage the pain and inflammation. Soaking your feet in warm water with Epsom salt can soften the skin and reduce swelling. Gently massaging the affected area can help drain any pus. Applying an over-the-counter antibiotic cream can prevent infection. Keep the area clean and dry. Avoid wearing tight shoes or socks that irritate the toenail. Remember, home remedies provide temporary relief. They don't address the underlying problem. If your symptoms worsen or don't improve within a few days, it's crucial to seek professional help. When to seek professional help, recognizing the signs. Sometimes, home remedies just aren't enough. Knowing when to seek professional help is crucial. If you experience severe pain, redness, or swelling, it's important to see a doctor. Signs of infection, such as pus, a foul odor, or fever, require immediate medical attention. A doctor can safely remove the ingrown part of the nail and prescribe antibiotics if needed. In some cases, a minor surgical procedure to partially remove the nail or destroy the nail bed may be necessary. Don't hesitate to seek professional help. Early intervention can prevent complications and ensure proper healing. Choosing the right footwear, supporting your foot health. Your footwear plays a significant role in preventing ingrown toenails. Choosing the right shoes can make a world of difference. Avoid shoes with pointed toes or narrow toe boxes. These styles constrict your toes and increase the risk of ingrown nails. Opt for shoes with a wide, roomy toe box that allows your toes to spread out naturally. Choose breathable materials like leather or canvas to prevent moisture buildup. Consider orthotic inserts to provide additional support and cushioning. Prioritize comfort and support when choosing footwear. Your feet will thank you. Maintaining foot hygiene, a key to prevention. Good foot hygiene is paramount for preventing ingrown toenails. Wash your feet daily with soap and water, paying close attention to the areas between your toes. Thoroughly dry your feet after washing, as moisture creates an ideal environment for bacterial growth. Wear clean socks daily. Choose socks made of breathable materials like cotton or moisture-wicking fabrics. Avoid wearing the same socks for consecutive days. Consider using antifungal powder or spray to keep your feet dry and odor-free. These simple hygiene practices create a healthy environment for your feet and minimize the risk of ingrown toenails. Proper nail trimming techniques, avoiding ingrown toenails. Nail trimming technique plays a crucial role in preventing ingrown toenails. Trim your toenails straight across, using a clean, sharp nail clipper. Avoid cutting the nails too short or rounding the edges. Leave a small amount of white at the tip of each nail. This prevents the nail from digging into the surrounding skin. If you have thick or difficult to trim nails, soak your feet in warm water for a few minutes before trimming. Mastering proper nail trimming techniques is a simple yet effective way to prevent ingrown toenails. Conclusion: taking control of your foot health. Ingrown toenails can be painful and inconvenient. But with the right knowledge and preventive measures, you can effectively manage and prevent them. Remember the importance of proper nail trimming, choosing the right footwear, and maintaining good foot hygiene. Home remedies can provide temporary relief, but don't hesitate to seek professional help if your symptoms worsen or show signs of infection. By following these guidelines, you can take control of your foot health and say goodbye to ingrown toenails. Like, subscribe, and comment below for more health tips and advice. Let's empower ourselves with knowledge for a healthier life.